Good morning. I would love you to meet 08A team. A few little things we want to talk about before you meet all of the wonderful teachers. First thing is this year, we are using our Schoology as our online platform to submit assignments. The way you get on your Schoology is you use your username, which is your lunch number, and your password, which is the password you logged into your computer. While on Schoology, we have Zoom, which is our new face-to-face class. You access each class's Zoom on that subject Schoology page. So each day at the specific time, you're gonna go onto that class's page and you're gonna click the link at top and join your class. Just some basic expectations of this year are to be on time, be in class, be prepared with all your materials ready, turn in assignments on time, have your camera on, and participate by raising your hand or using the chat. So let's meet your teachers. Here is Mrs. Hines.
And good morning. I'm Mrs. Hines. I'm the 8th grade ELA teacher, English Language Arts. My email and my phone extension are up on the screen there, and my extra help is Monday 2:45 to 3:10. This year, we have a brand new English curriculum, and it's Houghton Mifflin, and it looks like this. The kids have this book at home, and they also have a grammar practice book at home. Students can access the English curriculum by going on the Schoology page, going up to the 4 little dots at the top, and going into Ed. And they log into Ed using their student number and their lunch number and their computer password. Now, as far as what we're doing, we are doing reading, writing, speaking, and listening all year long. We do responses in Schoology. We do responses in the Ed in the book. We do a lot of chatting in the chat and put answers in the chat. We are analyzing. We are composing. We're communicating. We're reading. We are literature giants in this class. We are specifically working on different genres: fiction, nonfiction, poetry, biography, autobiography. And the new thing that's been added in that's brand new for the 21st century is media study. A lot of the things that we're reading have little video clips that go with them so we can compare and contrast. Does class discussions take place? We've done a lot of creative writing. Expectations for the class are exactly what were on the screen ahead of, or that was preceding us. If you have any questions at all, please contact me. We love to write, we love to read. And we are moving on next to math, Miss Costello.
Good morning. My name is Miss Costello and I am the math teacher this year. My email and phone extension are listed on the slide. And my extra help is Tuesdays from 2:45 to 3:10. If you need me at any other time, please feel free to contact me. This year, we have moved to new books. The new books, which I am going to show right now, okay, they are part of your iReady Math. Okay, what is nice about these books is they have an online component that we will be using. Part of the online component is that I can assign you specific lessons as well as you can do individualized lessons, okay? That will be part of your grade for the year. The main things we will talk about this year in math are expressions and equations, functions, geometry, and statistics and probability. Okay, I hope we have a wonderful year, and I look forward to teaching you all. Please meet Miss Branton, our science teacher.
Hi, my name is Carrie Branton, and I will be your student science teacher this year. I have my information there on the screen, my email and my phone extension. My extra help night is Wednesdays from 2:45 to 3:10. In 8th grade science, we will be learning about populations and ecosystems as well as catastrophic events. The first semester, your student will be working out of this textbook, and the pages are uploaded to their Schoology, so they can read along with us in class. I've also prepared packets throughout the year. We've already finished our first lesson in problem solving, so your students should have these paper packets that they picked up with their materials. We're currently in our first populations and ecosystems packet, and it has a glossary on the front, and it goes through our study of individuals, populations, communities, and ecosystems. We look at biomes and food chains and different scenarios all over the world, actually, and learn about how communities interact in the natural world. We'll move on, and your students should have a few other science packets that gets them all the way through January. So make sure that you have those and keep track of those at home. We will be doing classwork and homework. We have tests and quizzes. All of my work is submitted through assessments on Schoology. So we will be doing activities, but we do it live in our Zoom classes. We'll have presentations, we'll take notes, we'll have conversations, and the students submit their results through the assessments on Schoology. So make sure your student is logging in and completing and submitting all of their work through that. I am now going to introduce to you Miss Levinson.
Good morning. My name is Miss Levinson. I'm the social studies teacher. My email and phone extension are up on the screen. My extra help night is Thursday from 2:45 to 3:10, but I'm available most nights if your student would like to stay. My curriculum, I'm not using the book right now. We won't start using the book until second quarter. So they will find all their assignments online in Schoology. We've just completed the Explorers. We are now going into the colonies. Then we will work on the creation of government, the Revolutionary War, Declaration of Independence, and the Constitution. We also have a month of Black History. And after that, it's pretty much PASA, and I give kids the options and they can pick what they would like to learn about for the last month. As stated in the first slide, please be on time, turn in your work, and follow directions. And I think that's all I have for right now. So here's Mrs. Knight.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Knight. I'm the special education teacher here and the learning support teacher for the 8th grade APOD. On the screen in front of you, you have my email address and my phone extension. I'm also available every night, 2:45 to 3:10. And if you're joining my special help, I ask that you just put it in the chat and tell me what you need the special help in during the day. So that way I know that I'm expecting somebody there. Also, I'm available during class if you need any extra help or you don't understand something or you can't find something. I'm available to be able to put you guys into a breakout room and we can work one-on-one or in a small group there. You just have to make sure that you're asking for help, putting it in the chat to either the teachers or to myself. And then we can get you that one-on-one and that support that you need. And let's go back to Ms. Costello.
Just to wrap up the meeting, thank you for being here and listening to all of us. We look forward to having a really good year with you. Just in case you're having any technical issues, which we know they happen, so we're very considerate of them, feel free to email EPS support or call 874-6801. Okay, have a wonderful day.